Yes, magandang umaga. Good morning guys. Welcome to the iTerra Care family. Again, I am Kuya Vincent. I'm Vincent Moreno Viñas. I'm a physical therapist by profession. I've been working as a physical therapist for the last 20 years. Currently working here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. And today, unbox natin ang number one product ngayon ng Prive International. Oxytop, one machine, 3 shots, endless health possibilities. Oxytop is the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. Tama-tama, di ba? Kagagaling lang po natin sa pandemic. So, dahil sa corona, within 3 years, talagang na lockdown tayo sa bahay. So, talagang yung oxygen naka-compromise. Halos lahat ng mga nakita ko sa TV, lahat ng mga na-experience ko, lahat ng mga pasyente ko, lahat sila merong kakulangan sa oxygen. So, nakita mo nga, halos lahat nag-aagawan ng oxygen tank dahil nga compromise na yung lungs natin. So, and today, i-unbox po natin yung Oxytop. I just recently purchased one from Prive International Philippines branch. So, it just came maybe 2 days ago. So, today we'll be unboxing it. And ang inventor pala nito is from Singapore, si Wilson Tan. He is an engineer, biomedical engineer. Talagang is a wellness evangelist. So he is the author ng water salination ng Singapore. No wonder napakaunlad ng Singapore dahil sa isang Wilson Tan. At siya rin po yung nag-invent ng Oxytop machine. So tara, i-unbox natin yung world's first oxygen supplement infuser. So kung may problema tayo sa oxygen guys, meron tayong kakilala na merong problema sa oxygen sa mga RTs. Alam ko may marami tayong mga kaibigang respiratory therapist dyan. So yung mga oxygen concentrator, mababa ang SpO2. So meron tayong solution guys. So Oxytop. So pwede siya sa mga, maski sa mga healthy na tao, lalo sa mga sports enthusiasts, mga athletes. Siyempre, pag nagbabasketball ka, baboxing ka, pag nagbabicycle ka, talagang hinihingal ka. Kasi nga, you're gasping for air, you're gasping for oxygen. So, inom sila ng tubig, at least para ma-replenish yung katawan nila. But the good thing, if they are drinking the Oxytop water, the oxygen water, talagang we will be tapping the healing power using the oxygen, highly dissolved oxygen sa ating katawan. Sabi nga, there are rules of 3 in Oxytop. Sabi, a human can survive 3 weeks without food. 3 linggo pwede kang mabuhay maski walang pagkain. A human can survive 3 days without water. Maski walang tubig ng 3 araw, kaya mong mag-survive. Pero, a human cannot survive more than 3 minutes without oxygen. He can survive only minimum of 3 minutes na walang oxygen. Ganun po kahalaga ang oxygen sa ating katawan guys. No wonder sila LeBron James, sila Justin Bieber, mga sports enthusiasts, celebrities, talagang minsan nag-oxygen therapy sila, gumagamit sila ng hyperbaric chamber. So there are 3 ways how to get it. Yung oxygen, libre naman, hinga ka lang, deep breathing exercises. Ngayon, pag therapeutic, may hyperbaric chamber, napakamahal niyan. Pwedeng oxygen concentrator, pag mababa na. At pangatlo, yung oxygen water. Talagang praise the Lord kasi na-invent na to, yung oxygen, Oxytop natin. So, ayan, buksan natin. Ano bang tsura nito, Oxytop? This is my first time to open my Oxytop machine. So it has a nice box. So napakaliit lang niya guys. Kung titignan nyo yung box na to, it will just, 2 dangkal ko lang guys. So it's almost 15 inches. 2 dangkal by 1 dangkal lang siya. Napakaliit lang siya. Then ang height niya, so 2 dangkal lang din. Less than 2. Liit lang ng hands ko eh. So mga around 15 inches lang siya by 15 inches. So we'll see. Ang ganda ng box niya. So, kaya sabi ko, hindi na ako mamabulema sa oxygen. Magkaroon man ng another corona, kaliwali, meron na tayong Oxytop machine. So guys, This is my first time to open my Oxytop machine. Meron siyang, siyempre, protector. Wow! Color white. So, meron siyang plug. Ayan. Ito yung plug niya. Mahaba, siguro mga 2 meters niya. Maraming, siyempre, mga pabubot na plastic. Bubble wrap. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Lagay ko lang ito sa baba. Oops. Whoa. Wow, guys. I'm now opening first time my Oxytop machine, guys. Wow, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. So guys, napakaliit lang siya. Pwede nyo ilagay sa bag nyo actually. Maski sa eco bag, kasyang-kasya siya. So, ayan siya. Ayan ang Oxytop machine natin. Then, tingnan natin, meron siyang dalawang bottles, mga 300 ml yata to. Bottle niya. Tapos meron siyang, what's this? Drain book. This is the drain book. So, ito yata yung manual. Oops. Sorry. It's just a plastic. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang manual. Ayan lang siya, bilis lang. Ito yung manual niya. So, meron siyang drip tray. Yan na siya. Dalawang ganito. Contains 2 pieces of this one. A plug. And a drip tray. Tapos yung manual niya. Ito yung manual niya. Buksan nga natin itong drain box. Ano pa itong drain box? Ito pala yung manual niya. Ito pa itong drain box na ba? Okay, dito yung sa water maybe. Pag-aaralan ko kung paano gamitin. It's very simple lang eh. Yung setup ng Oxytop. This is the manual. Meron siyang mga instructions guide how to use it. This is made from Singapore. Yung inventor natin is from Singapore. So, just try to read this one. So, I'll just show you anong tsura ng Oxytop device natin. Ayan. Ang Oxytop machine. Very simple. Sukatin natin. Isang dangkal lang siya, oh. Isang dangkal by 1.5 na dangkal lang siya. It's a 220 volt current. Yan siya yung specs niya. Basahin natin. Oops. It's an electrical appliance. So it's not a water dispenser. It's not either a water filter. So, hindi siya purifier. He is just a machine that oxygenates your water. So, ayan siya. Diyan siya siguro. Ayan, nakapatong dyan. Then, press mo na yan. Ito yung button, no? Yung 3 presses, oh. So, first shot, first press, 3 minutes. So, average ng oxygen, dissolved oxygen concentration is around 25 ppm or parts per million. Double shot, dalawang press, so it 6 minutes. So within 6 minutes, the ppm can reach for 30 parts per million. And 3 shots, 9 minutes na yon. It can reach up to 35 to 40 parts per million yung Oxytop machine natin. So, there are different dosages. Ito yung dosages na pwede natin makontrol. Yung first shot, just for you to be alert. So, para attentive tayo. So, ang first shot kasi, ang ginagamit natin yan for mga insomnia. Pag mayroon kang sakit sa mababa yung energy mo, or meron kang myopia, meron kang yung poor yung concentration mo, focus, yan ang maganda. First shot, 3 minutes. Kailangan mo lang extra energy. 3 minutes ka, first shot, just to refresh your energy. And for you to energize, double shot. Double shot, 6 minutes yan, 30 ppm. So, maganda to sa may mga asthma. So, may mga friends ako dyan, maraming asthma guys. So, we have now a solution. Kasi nga, pag may asthma ka, lumiliit yung constrict yung blood vessels mo, hirap kang huminga. So, you're gasping for oxygen. Wala ang oxygen. So, you need an Oxytop para ma-boost yung oxygen level sa katawan mo. Maganda sa eczema, hangovers, at may mga arthritis. Revitalize, ito yung 3 shots, triple shot kailangan natin. At least it will last for 9 minutes. So 9 minutes of oxygen supplement infusion. So it's good for patients with diabetes, may mga corona, may mga dementia, yun, may mga cancer. Kasi ang taas na ng parts per million, 35 parts per million of dissolved oxygen ang meron tayo doon. So actually in order ko pala yung dissolved oxygen meter natin. So from Amazon, we will still be waiting. So now due for delivery, hinihintay ko na lang pag na-deliver na, then we will do an actual demonstration of the Oxytop device natin. So it's very simple, very light, and talagang yung mamumblema ka sa oxygen sa katawan, masosolusyonan na nito. So it's good for sports, no? So mga sports athletes, kasi nga with exercise, with running, with boxing, with cycling, with any activities, it increases lactic acid sa katawan natin. Alam natin, yung lactic acid, it causes pain, causes cramps, so it causes you, to limit your activity from any sports. So with Oxytop, drinking oxygen water, so you're replenishing oxygen sa ating cells. So we are lessening the release of lactic acid. So mas napopromote natin yung proper nutrition, oxygenation sa ating mga muscles, kaya hindi tayo napapagod. So nag-improve yung sports performance. Pag may mga kilala kayong football players, boxers, cyclists, triathlon, napakaganda po nito. And actually, ngayon first time ko lang po siyang itatry, and at least sabi nila yung water nito is very very soft. Maganda rin siya sa mga bawat wards. Hospital ward, no? Merong mga medical ward, orthopedic ward, geriatric ward, ICU. So, cancer ward, napakaganda kasi nga lahat ng mga wards nito may mga oxygen tanks. So, kailangan ng oxygen sa hospital, di ba? So, kung may mga kilala kayong may oxygen sa bahay, no? Naka-rely na lang sa mga oxygen tanks. Guys, meron tayong solusyon, ha? Meron tayong Oxytop. We are using water to deliver oxygen sa ating katawan. Yung water kasi para siyang capsule, di ba? May medicine tayo. So, siya yung parang capsule, yung water. Tapos yung nasa loob ng capsule is the oxygen. Depending on the dosage, depending on the number of presses, you will use para ma-deliver yung oxygen sa ating katawan. So, we are using and drinking water to deliver high dissolved oxygen in our body directly into our cells. Okay? Kaya napakaganda, guys. Oxygen is life. So, 3 minutes, guys, if you don't breathe oxygen for 3 minutes, for sure you will die. So, nobody can survive. If you want to experiment and you want to prove that I am right or wrong, try to experiment. 3 minutes, you hold yung breath nyo. Tignan natin anong mangyayari. So, luckily, we have now a solution. We have an Oxytop machine. It's really very light, very comfortable, very portable lang, guys. So, I can bring it anywhere. So, I can even sell oxygen water to anyone. So, if you, sabi dito, 3 shots is for dementia. So, I'm getting older also. Siyempre, yung memory natin, hindi na tumatalas. Kaya malaking talagang tulong ang oxygen, water, Oxytop sa ating health. So, mas marami tayong matutulungan, guys. So, one house talaga. Lalo sa mga OFWs, I would really suggest for you to invest one device for every house. It's a best gift. Papadala mo to si Papa, sila nanay, si tatay dyan sa Philippines. So, this is the best gift. Obviously, the best investment is our health and the health of our parents and our loved ones. So, one device, it fits the entire family. You can, your mama, your papa, your tatay, your grandmother, your children can drink, unlimited oxygen, fresh oxygen water at the comfort of your home. Actually, yung freshness ng water will be determined by the number of ppm or the parts per million. Normally, it's around 8 to 20 parts per million of oxygen, dissolved oxygen to water. That's how you define the freshness of a water. And unfortunately, you can just find it in expensive waters like Evian, Volvic, yung Fiji waters, yung Dasani waters. Napaka-expensive po niyan. Halos hindi pa nga ako halos nakakatikim ng such kinds of water because it's really, really very expensive. The reason why it's really fresh because of the high amount of concentration sa kanilang water, yung content. So, no wonder yung mga rich lang nakaka-afford ng umiinom ng Evian water. So, no need for me to buy any such water. All I have to do is just use my Dubai. This is my brand. So, this is my brand. So, my Dubai is my brand water. So, I'll just be using this one. Making sure to oxygenate my Dubai water. My Dubai. So, it would be better to actually use glass container rather than plastic. So, ita-transfer ko siya sa glass water. And bago ko siya i-oxygenate, ite-terahertz ko muna siya. I-blower ko siya ng iTeracare para maging iTeracare charged water siya. After that one, para mas lumiit yung molecular structure ng tubig. Then after that one, papasok ko siya dito. Let's say, this is very small. I can use a bigger pitcher. So, I'll still buying one. And that's it. That's the Oxytop. Press. Wait for 3 minutes, then directly can drink. So guys, for those who are in UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, I am directly selling to you oxygen water. Okay? Mura-mura lang. So you can avail. Just PM me and I'll send you one. By the way, once you oxygenate this one for 3 minutes, just keep it in the lower temperature, colder temperature. It can last for 24 hours. But if you keep it in fridge, it can last for 1 week. The oxygenated water. So maganda to sa mga lola, lolo, sa kahit sino dyan, mabababa yung oxygen, lalo may mga asthma. So oxygenated water through Oxytop device. Yan. Ganyan lang yung laman niya talaga. So, one device, triple shots with endless health possibilities. So, a lot of scientific studies were conducted. Later on, I'll be conducting a Zoom and I'll be laying out all the evidence-based studies that was conducted and to prove that this device is really, really effective, guys. You should have one. You must have one. So, kung may mga problema tayo sa metabolism natin, we are using normally anaerobic. So, we can maximize our aerobic metabolism to optimize our health. Better optimize our health with the use of Oxytop water. So, that's it, guys. So, thank you for watching, and later I'll be creating another video about this one. I just want to introduce to you that in UAE, I'm proud to say I'm the only one, first one to have an Oxytop machine, the first ever. So I will be selling, I will be drinking oxygen water. I will give my friends oxygen water as well. Let them try, because the softness of this water, really, it's like you have an oxygen tank at home. You're bringing actually the spring water from the mountains at your tabletop. Ganon kaganda ang Oxytop na device natin. Yung fresh water, doon makikita mo lang sa forest, makikita mo lang doon sa springs, makikita mo lang sa nature, dinadala mo sa loob ng inyong bahay. At the comfort of your tabletop. So, pwede siya sa ating pamilya. So, it's the best gift. That's why I give myself. So, I actually, very seldom ako magbigay ng regalo sa sarili ko. And this is the best gift that I have ever given myself. And the best gift that I will be giving to Papa, to Nanay and Tatay, and the rest of my family in the Philippines. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. And I will try to create more awareness about this device. I will create more, trainings, lectures, Zoom discussions, Zoom awareness. So, how to use And ngayon lang is I just open it just for you to know ano ang tsura ng Oxytop. See oh guys, it's very small, very handy, very light. But the benefits wise, really. So the price of this one, by the way, it's $4,900 US dollars. 4,900 US dollars. In the Philippines, the conversion is 279,300 pesos. It's almost 280,000 pesos in the Philippines. This Oxytop machine, 280,000 pesos. But you know the price in Europe, it's far very expensive. It's 6,600 US dollars. If it's in Manila, it's 4,900 US dollars. In Europe, it's 6,600 US dollars. That's almost 350,000 pesos. Napaka-cheap pa rin sa Philippines. So, but really the price, the benefits of the Oxytop far outweigh the price. Honestly, far outweigh the price because there's no such good investment sa atin. It's kumbaga yung kalusugan talaga natin ang mas mahalaga. So, Oxytop, it can help anyone suffering from oxygen. Pag may mga SpO2 problems kayo, mababang oxygen sa ating katawan, so Oxytop can help. Okay guys, that's it for today, and later I'll be updating you more of any videos that I'll be uploading. Follow me in my YouTube account and my Facebook account, iTeracare Family. And in my Facebook account also, there's another one, Oxytop by iTeracare Family. Like, share, and subscribe my videos. So just follow me so that you will be aware of future videos that I'll be creating. And thank you for watching. And really, this device can help a lot of people. It can save a patient's life, a family's life. Okay? Thank you for watching, and God bless you, and have a great day, everyone. By the way, just to additional pahabol, there's a saying with Reka, the absence of oxygen is the presence of a disease, and vice versa, the presence of oxygen is the absence of a disease. Thank you so much, and God bless. Oxytop. Get it. Shut down.